In this video, we are discussing the Fermi direct distribution function and a numerical based on the Fermi direct distribution function. So, in this question it says that determine the probability that an energy level 3 kT above the Fermi energy is occupied by an electron. Okay, so what we have to determine is we have to determine that an energy level which is 3 kT above the Fermi energy. Okay, so the energy level which is 3 kT above the Fermi energy is occupied by an electron. So we have to determine the probability for that. So the probability for that is given by Fermi direct distribution function. So the Fermi direct distribution function f of E is equal to 1 upon 1 plus exponential of E minus EF upon KT. So this is total is in exponential. So this is the Fermi direct distribution function. This is the Fermi direct distribution function. It is called as Fermi direct distribution or probability function. So what it gives is it gives the probability that an energy level E is occupied by the electron, where EF is called the Fermi energy. Okay, so what it gives the probability that the energy level E is occupied by the electron, where EF is your Fermi energy, K is your Boltzmann constant, and T is your temperature in Kelvin. Okay, so in this question what it says that we have to determine that the energy level 3 kT above the Fermi energy. So we have to determine that this EF and E. So this E is 3 kT above this Fermi energy. So the distance between E and EF is 3 kT. So we can write that E minus EF equal to 3 kT. E minus EF equal to 3 kT. So if I write here E minus EF equal to 3 kT. E minus EF equal to 3 kT. So kT and kT will get cancelled. KT and kT will get cancelled. So what we are left with exponential of 3. Exponential of 3. Okay, so we are left with exponential of 3. So you can use your calculators. Exponential of 3 is equal to 20.09. Exponential of 3 is equal to 20.09, means exponential to the power of 3. So like 10 to power 2 is 100. So exponential to the power 3 is 20.09. Like 10 to power 2 is 100. So exponential to the power 3 is 20.09. So we can write here 20.09. So this will be equal to 1 upon 21.09. So this will be equal to 0.0474. This will be equal to 0.04. If we have to write in terms of percentage, then we can write 4.74%. So the 4.74% is the probability that an energy level 3 kT above the Fermi energy is occupied by the electron. So what we used was directly the formula for Fermi direct distribution function, because the probability that any energy level is occupied by an electron is given by the Fermi direct distribution function. So we easily calculated this probability by using this formula, 1 upon 1 plus exponential of E minus EF upon KT. So I hope this question was clear to you. It is very easy question to solve, and also it is asked many times in GATE exam. So thank you and best of luck, and if you have any doubt you can post your doubt and your feedback in the comment box.